In this tutorial, we'll walk through purchase orders in VNDLY, from creating your first PO to receiving standard products, serialized items, and lot-tracked inventory. Click New Purchase Order from the Purchase Order section. The order number is auto-generated. Start by selecting your supplier. Delivery details like billing and shipping addresses pull in automatically. Then add your line items by searching by SKU or product name. Set the quantity and unit cost. Add as many line items as you need. You can also set a freight cost. VNDLY allocates it proportionally across lines as a landed cost, giving you true cost per unit visibility. Click Save to create the PO as a draft. Need to make changes? Click Edit Order at any point before confirming. You can then send it directly to your supplier by email. VNDLY generates and attaches the PO as a PDF automatically. The PDF includes all line items, quantities, costs, and totals. The packing list shows product weights and dimensions, useful for shipping and logistics planning. Once you're happy, confirm the order. When your goods arrive, click Receive Inventory. Select the destination warehouse, enter how many units you've received per line, and you can do partial receives if not everything arrived at once. After a partial receive, the PO shows as partly received. Once everything is in, it updates to received. VNDLY also records the actual delivery date and calculates the delivery variance against your expected date. Every change is recorded in the version history, giving you a full audit trail of edits, confirmations, and receipts. Now let's look at purchase orders for serialized products. PO0002 contains two serialized items, the DOP kit and the waxed canvas sling bag. These have serial number tracking enabled on the product. Confirm the order the same way. The difference shows up when you go to receive inventory. The receive dialog now shows serial number entry fields instead of quantity inputs. Type or paste your serial numbers, one per line. The count you enter becomes the received quantity. Enter the serial numbers exactly as they appear on the physical units. VNDLY validates them and creates individual records for each one, tracking each unit from this moment onwards. After receiving, go to the product detail page under the Inventory tab. You'll see every serial number listed with its status, location, and receipt date. This is your read-only reference. Management happens through the Inventory module. Finally, lot-tracked purchase orders. PO003 has two products with lot tracking enabled, perfect for items with expiry dates or batch traceability requirements. When you receive lot-tracked products, you enter the lot number, the quantity in that lot, and the expiry and manufacture dates. Each lot gets its own record in the system. You can receive partial quantities, maybe only part of your order arrived. Enter what you have now and receive the rest when it comes in. You can even assign different lot numbers to different shipments of the same product. The PO updates to partly received, showing exactly how much of each line is still outstanding. The lot numbers appear in the inventory view with quantities, location, and expiry date, all tracked automatically from the moment of receipt. The recent movements log shows every receipt across all three POs. standard, serialized, and lot tracked, with full timestamps and references back to the source PO. That's purchase orders in VNDLY, from standard products to serialized and lot-tracked inventory.